Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Herkman, a makeup artist out here in Los Angeles, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the best beauty hacks that you can do at home. So lately I've been suffering from a little bit of maskne, which is around my face from wearing a mask throughout the day. And one of the things that I've been doing to help prevent and treat my acne is this hack right here. So what I do is use a clarifying or detoxifying mask as a spot treatment on certain areas that I have existing acne while I'm wearing a face mask over top. That way nobody can see it, no one knows what's going on underneath my mask unless I take it off. But if I'm just going to the grocery store, this is a quick and easy way to treat your skin while wearing a face mask. By now, I feel like we've all seen the trick of using your lipstick as a cheek color as well, and today I'm gonna flip it up on you and we're using a liquid lipstick. What I like to do to apply this product is dab it on my lip at first and then blend it out with my finger. I just dab a little bit of the product on my cheeks and quickly blend it out. Since it is a liquid lipstick, you wanna work fast. Blend out that color and it'll soften it just a little bit for you. So this next hack is how to get a glowy, luminous setting spray. We're gonna be using a highlighter and a spray bottle with water. Once you've poured your highlighter into the bottle, then just shake it up and you're ready to mist this on your skin, on your face. This is gonna give you just an all over glow and just keep your makeup and your body nice and summery and glowy. Now this hack has to be one of my absolute favorites. So what I love to do in the morning when I'm doing my makeup is I have to have my eyebrows set in place. What I like to do is use hairspray. This hack is super easy. So all you're gonna do is spray your Stronghold hairspray onto your spoolie, comb the brows up and out. This is gonna give you a more lifted eye look and keep your eyebrows looking nice and fluffy throughout the day. That is gonna give you the best eyebrows that last all day long. And those were my favorite beauty hacks to do at home. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite hack is and we'll feature it in the next video. If you wanna see more content from me, you can find me at my Instagram at melissa.herkman, and we'll see you next time. Bye.